Hey, what's up YouTube? Gonna do a quick video here, kind of a race between the Xhorse Dolphin 2 and the Black Widow code cutting and HO01 high security Honda key. Got both machines running a 2mm cutter, and I think it's enough talking here. Let's jump into it. And we can see both keys do work, which is a good thing. Black Widow did win by about 18 seconds, and something worth noting, the Black Widow cuts these keys on a 2mm cutter. The Dolphin recommends a 1.5mm cutter, but I wanted to do them both the same size, so I swapped the Dolphin to the 2mm cutter. And on the Dolphin, when you change cutter sizes, you have to do a height calibration each time you change a cutter. On the Black Widow, you don't. You just put the new cutter in and tell it that it's a new cutter, whatever size it is, and you just go on cutting keys. There's no extra steps. So that's a pretty big time saver on the Dolphin. And if you guys want to see more stuff like this or have any other ideas for videos, between the two machines or just with the Black Widow, let me know. And any other questions or comments, I'll put them in the comments. And until next time, we will talk to everybody later.